1K1 tonight.
1K99, 10-8.
911.
Uh, 911, what's your emergency?
Hey, there's like a big loud ass party and it's annoying and I can smell what seems to be drugs. Don't know what type of drugs, but I can just smell it reeks.
Okay, could you tell me the address of the crime that's happening, please?
61 Stanford Street.
Copy, sending to officers en route right now.
Hello.
Hello?
So,
What do you want?
coming in. We smell weed. We smell
No,
some
you're not.
drugs.
No, you're fucking not. Fucking not.
Don't fucking hit him.
Come on then!
Now you're being arrested for this. Drop it! Drop the fucking knife.
You're gonna fucking
Drop the knife right now, right now.
Keep brief on him.
Ah, fuck! Ah!
Knife secured. On the ground, right now, on the ground.
Get down. Give me your hands now. Put your hands behind your fucking back. Left cuff, right cuff. Stand up now, dickhead. Let's go. This way, stupid. So, do you have anything that will poke, stick, or stab me? Fuck you now. Get in. Watch your head.